Good morning, everyone. So today is Friday, August the 28th, 2020. Everybody must be excited. So let's start with our morning meeting. I'm sure everybody is excited today because it's Friday. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Let's go over the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Today is Friday. And the best days of the week, Saturday and Sunday. Days of the week and date. Yesterday was Thursday. Today is Friday. Tomorrow will be Saturday. Today we're August the 28th, 2020, and it is hot outside. And it is summertime. It's almost ending. Let's go over the months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Remember to stay active. Take some time and go outside in the evening, ride your bike, walk your dog. If you have a scooter, if you skate, skateboard, play basketball with your friends. Today's agenda. So today we would be doing we're doing your IEP goals. And remember, the social skill lesson is don't quit. There's a video on it, and we've seen the video all week. One last time today, let's go see the video. So if you have any, if you need to contact your teacher, go ahead and contact Ms. Castañeda, Ms. Martinez, Mr. Guzman, or myself, Ms. De La Garza, and you can call me and I'll help you out. Thank you.